Welcome to Self Care Thursday. This is the start of a series of self care that will be coming out on Thursdays at 9 a.m. Hi, my name is Travis. Let's get to it. The average person sleeps 8 hours a night. That is 1/3 of the person's life. If they get eight, for some of us, getting 8 hours of sleep is only a dream, literally. Well, in this video, we will provide 5 ways to improve the quality of your sleep during the night. Number 1, sleep in a cool room. It is important for our body temperatures to be at a certain temperature in order for us to get the sleep that we need. Sleeping in a room that's a little cooler helps regulate your body's temperature. That gives you an opportunity to get some restful sleep. I know there's some places in the world where it's hot all the time, 70s, 80s and up, but those people have adjusted to being able to sleep in those kind of conditions. So that's why we're giving you 5 tips, because any one of these you can use, or you can use a combination of them. 2, sleep in a room that is dark. For most of us, having a dark room is an ideal way to ensure that we will fall asleep. Any light coming in from the outside can affect most of us when we're trying to go to sleep. The ambience in the room could be a factor in getting to sleep also. Using blackout curtains or anything that can prevent that light from coming in, for most people, is an ideal way of getting proper sleep. Number 3, no caffeine, alcohol, or any liquids prior to going to bed at night. Going to sleep is hard enough on its own. The last thing we need to do is have caffeine in our bodies. Caffeine and alcohol will try to prevent you from falling asleep. Sure, if somebody's drinking alcohol and drinks to the point of intoxication, they can pass out, but will they get quality sleep? No, they will not. Drinking of any liquids like water, juice should be done at least 2 hours prior to trying to go to sleep. 4 hours for caffeine and alcohol. What you don't want to be doing is getting up, going to the bathroom all night because you drank too much prior to going to sleep. Number 4, noise. We can't control the outside noise that may come in our room from neighbors or just outside in general. But we can control what kind of noise that we create for ourselves, what kind of ambience we set for our rooms at night. It is a good idea not to bring any devices to bed with you. Cell phones, tablets, laptops, turning on the TV. Those are not things that will help you go to sleep. You have to get your body to a point that your body knows when you go into your room and get into the bed, you are preparing to go to sleep. I'm not saying don't bring your devices in your room at all or anything like that. You can have your phone on the side of your room. You could have your phone on the side of your bed. They could use that as an alarm or things like that. But to get in the bed and be there for hours doing that, you're not giving your mind enough time to wind down to get to a point where it's ready to relax and fall asleep. And number 5, meditation. Stress is a very important thing that we must learn how to manage in our daily lives. Meditation is a good way to do this. People need to find ways to actively reduce their own stress. May it be listening to music, finding a quiet place to just chill out, reading a book. Whatever helps you to relieve your stress, you must be able to practice on a daily basis. Meditation is quieting the mind. It can be done during the course of the day, but in order for it to be effective for you to help you fall asleep, it should be done prior to going to bed. It really prevents built up stress from one day to transfer to the next. And it also helps you to relax your mind and body and soul when you're ready to fall asleep, without that stress being still part of you. Some people like taking a relaxing bath. Others like having a sensory thing on the side that has like rocks on it with water flowing out to hear that sound. Whatever quiet your mind. Look at your day. What was good? What was bad? What could I change? What stays the same? And focus on those things so that you can carry those things on, the positive things, into the next day. So look at these 5 tips. Apply which one best suit you and your situation. If you need to use all of them, try all of them. What you use will vary from individual to individual. So if you like anything I said in this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. This is my first Self-Care Thursday video. It won't be the last. It will come out at 9 o'clock in the morning. So when you are watching this, it will be 9 o'clock in the morning. Until next time, the Libra Man is out. Oh, by the way, if you have any topics you want to hear on self-care, on the Monday topic of mental health, or on the Saturday topics of recovery, leave a comment below. Libra Man